What's up, Halo 4 viewers? Yeah. Today we'll be pitting two teams of two against each other in an epic weapon showdown. Today's weapons, rocket launcher and incendiary cannon. Which one's better? So yeah, okay, I guess I'm on red team with Nick, and Dennis and Dom are on the other team. Stop, Nick, stop. Stop, no. Alright, so that's our theme song for today. Okay, anyways, so Dennis and Dom are on the Team Rocket. Me and Nick are on Team Incendiary Cannon.
Red. Should have been red because this is our second video. This is my second video. Dude, we should have been red.
Shut up.
It's rocket launcher, right?
Alright.
Yeah, go
Yo,
rocket
you
launcher.
screwed up the
Nick, it's just me and you. Nick, it's just me and you, okay? Are you ready for this? Or you
Fucking do
ready?
it!
Let's do it! Let's do it! Woo!
Yo, Nick, we should have been red team because red team, Team Rocket from Pokemon.
Oh god! No! Stop it! I got him!
Yeah, I got you too.
Oh my god, we're so good! We are amazing at this game! We are so good at this game right now.
Dude, I got him as well.
Oh my god!
I should have put infinite ammo, so if you run out of ammo, you're kind of fucked.
Oh god.
Oh, what the hell was that? You're following me,
for
ass.
like a minute. I know.
Ah!
I killed myself there. How'd you
That
get
was
the kill?
the best kill in the world. That was the best kill in the
Dude,
world.
Team Dinosaur's winning, bro, so you're kind of losing.
Ow, what the fuck? It's not fair.
Oh my god,
Yes!
Yes!
There you go! Oh god!
I think put dexterity on.
I'm out of ammo.
You're mean! Got one!
I have ammo. We should have put unlimited ammo on.
Yeah, I think I did it.
Need to talk about it. Let's do it.
Ow!
Oh my god, they're over there!
Ah! How'd they get over there?
Your ammo. Fire your ammo. Where's your gun? Pick your gun, there it is. Yeah.
Help!
It's a week in the morning and I step outside and I see her. That's probably something.
Alright.
Top of my fuck. From the top of my fuck. You guys have more fucking ammo.
Yeah!
That's
I got him! Yes!
You know the small
Raging
cock.
cannon, yes.
You know the
You're cheating! Alright, so we're losing by one. We can still recover.
Never recover. Oh my god.
Die!
You have so much range on that motherfucker.
Yes! Double kill! Team Incendiary Canyon!
So much range on that bitch.
All the way!
Really?
Ah! That's
Oh,
cheating!
that was
That's
sick!
cheating!
That was
Minus
sick!
5 points for them! It's freaking, it's not assassination battle, you ass! People always say that. Oh god.
Got it back, though.
I love how they're still killing us. There's so many of them!
There's like 12 of them. I don't even know how they. I was like looking at the. I was like, hey, are these guys real or are they just trolling me right
Oh
now?
god! I like how you missed.
Yeah, you little bitch.
I
Yeah.
had no ammo.
Yeah, son. Yes, son. Yes, son.
Tell us like we care.
Yeah, you like beautifully.
Eat this, you beautiful creature! Okay, I'm out of ammo now,
yeah,
so I'm
yeah,
just gonna run
All
around.
the way back here.
I only have one bullet left, so I'm kind of screwed. I'm gonna pick up a rocket launcher up.
How are they winning, guys? Okay.
Thank you!
I'm not doing very good.
Team Rocket Launcher all the way. What?
Yeah, that might have been a little bit of cheat. Don't worry about it. Alright, now I need to find this. Oh god!
What is
I don't.
it? Using a
Oh!
rocket.
Oh, got you from the grave. Got you from the grave. Yeah, that's a
I'm not
secondary.
cheating, I promise.
Good you are.
Dude, you're using a rocket.
Shut up!
Rocket.
I ran out of ammo.
Dude, I think Dennis should be on my team. I think that's where we're losing. So Dennis, no, it's probably me. I'm doing horrible.
I'm a rogue rocket launcher teammate.
I am clearly the best here. Oh, I just killed myself.
I have 11.
I just killed myself.
Whoa.
I just killed myself.
Yeah, I
that
saw
was
that.
pretty
It
bad.
was kind of funny.
Yeah, I know. I went to hop up
Ow!
and kill you,
Oh.
and
And then you shot the rock.
We're winning. Team Rocket Launcher is winning because we have big penises.
Why do I have to? Why is it spawning in 30 seconds?
Sorry.
Who made this?
Suicide penalty.
Oh my god. You might as well made it 2 hours for Christ's sake. Jesus. It's rocket launchers. There should be no penalty.
Hey Dom, what's up?
Assassin. Retro.
Ow! Are you using a sniper?
Yeah.
Freaking cheater.
You can't use a sniper.
No.
You can't use a sniper.
I'm not using a sniper. What are you saying? I'm not using a sniper, I promise.
I got
You don't have a
sniped.
sniper on you.
Just watch the video after. There's no sniper kill. There's no sniper kill recorded.
Oh my god. Okay.
All good.
I almost killed myself and I got owned by a rocket.
Double kill. Oh, there is a sniper. I just picked it up.
No.
No.
Bring it back.
I hit my teammate.
Oh my god, guy. I was about to get a kill too. Oh my Jesus.
They're so evasive.
Yo, no sniping, man.
I know, I'm not killing
get
you.
the game
Kill
back.
me,
No.
seriously.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
Still, oh my god. These guys
I'm waiting. I'm like, I'm out of ammo. Hurry up,
Yeah.
kill me.
You still can't snipe people. That's
Ugh.
not fair.
That's just
I got
mean.
purple this game.
You guys are jerk faces. Just big old nasty jerk faces. That's what
Hey,
you
he's
are.
the one with the rocket. It wasn't me.
Your
It was
face
Dennis.
is a jerk, okay? You need to shut that face.
Hey, I'm the
Shut that
love
face.
person.
I think I'm the only one playing fair.
Like Gandhi.
I'm playing fair.
I'm playing fair. A little bit.
If
I
get
think I'm
that
the
kill,
only
I'm
one
gonna,
playing
like, cry.
fair.
Okay, what's with the binary rifle?
That's not a binary rifle. Oh god, he has a binary rifle. Oh, got you. Oh gosh, I have a bounce. Got you up a bounce. I'm about to run out of ammo today, which is a sad thing.
I thought this was a... For a second. I was like,
We got infinite
Dude, we
freaking
got-
time. We have all the time in the world, literally.
yeah, we have like... Well,
Yeah, I know. You managed to, somehow you remember to freaking put on the fucking infinite time, but you forget to put on the freaking, how many, like the ammo. You gotta be kidding me, man. You only got 4 shots. You only got 4 shots. I only got 4 people in one life.
Oh, what's with this? What's this, humanity? Where'd you get the binary rifle?
What would you guys do if I have a banshee? Oh god!
I don't have a banshee.
I think the vehicle dropped, no?
Well, except for the mantis.
There's a mantis?
There is?
Yeah, they're just getting on the map. You guys are retarded.
Oh, I got the assist. I don't even know what that means.
Eat!
Who came up with the word assist? No, seriously, think about assist in your head. It doesn't actually sound like you're helping anyone at all.
Yeah.
Assist.
It sounds
It
like
sounds like
Assist.
it sounds like a zit.
kind of sounds like
Oh, you love those.
I insist.
Yeah.
You're mean!
Like,
Oh my god. Oh, Lord, baby Christ! Please let me get that. Please let me give me that. 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 Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
You're very evasive.
Give me a kiss.
Where are you?
Give me kiss. Give me kiss. Give me kiss.
What hit me?
Yes.
Who got the railgun?
I shot 2 rockets.
Yeah, I got you.
Dennis, pick it up. Come on, I'm at 21 and you're at 2. Probably like 50 deaths though.
no, my hologram's teabagging its corpse right now.
I saw that! Whoa!
Nice hologram just standing
Nice
there, not
shot.
blowing me
Oh,
up.
I got you. I got myself too.
I got distraction points for some reason. Whoa, you're a freaking ass. How did that miss? I'm dead.
Wow. I have to wait 30 seconds to respawn.
Team Generation Camp loses.
And you're saying? Shut up, Nick! Nick! Don't do that shit, dude. It's too loud. I have to wait 30 seconds now.
Yeah.
We have no enemy leeway. Come on. Enemy team forfeit.
You guys...
Did they actually?
Did you guys actually
Did they
leave?
win?
No, you guys left.
Praise. Oh my God, don't praise.
Oh
my happened?
God, don't pray. You know what? Then it's, game over then. Get the other teams quitting.
And we
What?
quit.
Okay, they quit. We won. Oh God.
Does that answer your
Oh,
question?
wait, Nick. Is it gonna do it?
You guys want to stop at 500 instead of 600?
How about 9,000?
1 sec, I'm trying to beat up him so I can get his ammo. Come on,
That
kill
was
that
nowhere
so I
near
can get his
anyone. I hit
ammo.
a tree with that. Actually.
Oh,
Thank
please
you.
Oh, I got double kill. Double
Yeah,
rainbow.
you
Double. No, I gotta wait another 30 seconds.
I don't have a rocket launcher. I swear. What? Something just flew at me.
I'm just gonna go on. I'm just gonna be on Twitter.
Guess what,
for the next
bitch?
20 minutes.
You suck.
Did I even hurt you? Were you even phased from that?
A little bit. Oh, look, a binary rifle. I owe you some revenge, by the way.
Guess what? I've been chasing you for like half an hour.
Yeah, I know. He's been walking or
Nick, turn around.
you.
Got him.
You got me. I was like,
You're not the enemy team? Oh, okay.
I was following me for like half an hour.
Fuck it.
It's like, this is enough.
Yeah, I ran out of ammo. I need ammo.
I missed horribly.
amazing. I am the best friggin' guy in the world.
I'm the best.
Look into my eyes and it's easy to see. 1 and 1 make 2, 2 and 1 make.
Ow!
Ooh, from the grave.
I didn't have any ammo.
You guys do know we're... Oh god, that thing went right... Fuck you! I think it went right by me.
Oh, it counted as my kill. So you can make
Hey, stop shooting shit at me.
Oh, that's good.
Incineration cannon win.
No.
And I'm the
no,
best
small kill.
around.
Yeah, it's only kill. You only win because you leave the hot floor.
What?
I had no ammo left. So I just started.
Are you
We gotta
chasing?
do this again on... We need to do it on instant ammo. I run out of ammo.
Don't even think about touching that sniper rifle. Hey, I have no ammo. This isn't fair. Yes!
Dude, okay, you can't hop after you throw down a hologram, okay? It's not gonna fucking work. Bring it! Yo, you can't melee! You can't melee!
He
That was
can.
a hologram in melee.
He can. He just
That was
shouldn't.
a hologram. A hologram melee.
No,
Cheater!
that doesn't count. No, that doesn't count, okay?
I killed myself. So I
He
can
had
wait
ammo.
35 seconds.
Wow. No, Dennis, you have to let me kill you, because that wasn't fair.
Shoot him! He's right there! Ah! Ah!
I was trying to
To your right, to your right, to your right. He's right there in front of you. You missed. I can't.
No, I got like right beside him.
I like how we're winning insanely like high. We need at least 4 more kills and Team Incineration can win.
They just flew.
Did you get that little noise when I flew too? I was like, whoa!
This is so much better than our original idea.
Was so badass.
This is so much better.
Yeah, I know. I don't know who the hell came up with the sticky detonator instead.
Instead of the
Yeah.
incineration cannon. Whoa!
Oh yeah, tell them about all the subscribers we got so far.
Yeah, subscribers, this is our new idea. Thought of stop
Dom.
being how you got incinerated because we have incineration cannons in you guys.